Guys, and welcome, it's Tim from Exotic Ginger. Today is just going to be a quick little video to show you and explain to you the basically how I don't clean my filters or my pond or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn you around. There we go. So the three main factors. I know my water is dirty right now, and that is just because the stream has been, if you've been watching my videos, the stream has just been put back in. As you can see, it's already doing its job. It has already collected loads of nasty stuff. But basically, there's three things that I do when I'm just pottering around in my garden doing stuff to stop me having to clean this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go up to the stream. So the stream is one big part of it. So as you can see there, you can see, put it this way, I only put this in 3 days ago. I only finished putting it in 3 days ago, and it's already picked up all of that nasty stuff. So now with that, I'm going to put plants there, so the plants will eat all of that all of the nasty stuff, and it would give it nice nutrients and actually give it a type of soil. So that is one thing that I do. As you can see, there's actually already a plant there. It was over here, but it's been moved down there by the water. But as you can see, like this plant here. So this plant here will grow already really nicely all around here. This is a Campagnia, and that's a Saxifrage. I have spoken about a Saxifrage before, and these are really good. These two plants, so this Campagnia and this Saxifrage, are two very good plants to hide pond liner and to hide other things, and also to get rid of nutrients from your pond. Then you've got reeds. So reeds are always a good idea to put in. Obviously this is a brand new pond, so it's not by any means finished. As you can see, I've got reeds there. What you also want to do is you want to put, if you have a water fill like this or anything like that, you want to make sure that your pipe there is splashing against something. You want to make sure it's hitting against it for two reasons really. One, for white water. So white water basically produces bubbles. So as you can see there, that water at the bottom there, where it's just coming onto the last waterfall, that is actually the type of water you want. See, look there, you can see how many bubbles the water's making. So you want bubbles, yeah, because that means oxygen, and oxygen means more life in your pond, what is not algae or something like that. So that's number one. Number two is only feed them what they can eat in about 5 minutes. It's alright, like, I haven't got a skimmer on this pond, and there's loads of stuff on this pond from this stupid tree. But, sorry, you're not stupid, but this tree, as you can see, look where the sun is right now. So it's a bit annoying. But then I've got catkins and everything falling into it. That's what those long things over there are. On the bridge there, that's a catkin. So yeah. So the next thing is obviously feeding. So feeding, if you overfeed your fish, it's exactly the same in a tank setting. If you overfeed your koi or your goldfish or whatever, you're going to have ammonia spikes. You're going to have nasty spikes of different things. Now, I haven't spoken about ammonia before. Ammonia is actually a very good food source for bioactive stuff. So rocks, banging rocks, that's where all of the microorganisms live, and so you obviously want the rock there to take away all the stuff. So you don't have to have a stream like that. You can just put rocks into your pond. It doesn't have to be nice. It can literally just be a few rocks at the bottom of your pond to help with your ammonia. Then obviously there's other things, but I'll save that for another video. There's loads of other things that you don't want to worry about when it comes to ponds. But the third and final thing, which I would say is a must, is don't put more koi than you actually can. Okay, I see this all the time. Yeah, people put too many koi into a place. Yeah, not good enough. Yeah, koi's are very big fish. Okay, they're like they're carp. Okay, they are a carp. They're koi carp. They're just ornamental carp. And carp get bloody massive. Yeah, massive. I'll put a picture up on the screen of how big a koi can get. Like, the biggest koi that I know of is over a metre. So imagine having even 10, imagine having 10 metre kois, like 1 metre kois in this pond. I can't do that. I can't have it. So when these bad boys get bigger, they're going into the lake when we have our lake. Oh look, there's Nicola. You might not have been able to see her, but that's Nicola. She's my sturgeon. No, yeah. So I have a sturgeon in here. I do have fish in here. What shouldn't be in here, but at the same time, that's why I made it bigger and deeper. So it's a 7 metre spans by 4 metre spans, 6 metre at the biggest end, and then it also goes down to 1.2 metres. So it's very good.